Hey y'all, welcome back to Dollar Tree Tuesday. Let me show you what I picked up. This is a small haul, but I think you'll be excited of what I was able to gather within the last 6 days. Went over when I told y'all from the last Dollar Tree video. I went and got some more bags. Because if y'all remember my crazy Wednesday, Walmart Wednesday video when I bought all these dolls, well, I had to go back out and get some more bags. So, as you can tell, that I am using these bags. And they hold a lot of stuff. So I will be stacking up on these next probably Tuesday when I come back to y'all the following week, because you can use these just for just about anything. All right, so while I was over there at that Dollar Tree, I think I went back Wednesday. So Friday, I went over and I picked up 4 clear plates. 4 of them. So I know y'all already know a DIY is coming with these 4 clear plates. And I didn't stop with the plates. I got 4 clear bowls. So this is going to be a part 1 and a part 2 of my new DIY that will be coming. And I had went over to Walmart looking for these, because these bowls and plates at Walmart are 97 cents. So if you can save 3 cents, hey, I'll save 3 cents, because 3 cents adds up, especially when you're buying a few of these. But they were out of stock. So my Supergirls at my Walmart, hi y'all, Amanda, hey, Crystal, hey, had these stocked. And I said, let me hurry up and grab them. And they were so kind. They even gave me the bubble wrap and the little box to put them in. I tell you, get to know your associates that work at the Dollar Tree. You know, they are very friendly and kind, and they go out of their way, you know, to help you. And I picked up these black plates. I'm not really into black on my table, because to me it's such a dark color, but you will see how I incorporate these with my upcoming tablescape. No, it's called the Valentine's Dinner for Two Tablescape 20. So you'll see how I incorporate these. And then I got a new basin, sink basin. And this is for part of my DIY. And then while I was there, she was like, Kelly, do you need a cross? And I was like, what type of cross you talking about? The cross to do, you know, your Meko mesh, or what I forget what it's called, but you know, do your mesh with. So these are not even out in the Dollar Trees yet, at least not down here where I live at. So I was privy to get one, and I thank you guys so much over there at my Dollar Tree. So this will be an upcoming project, you know, for Easter. Oh, and I went and I picked up, I got some baggies, because I use these baggies to drop my glitter down in. That way my glitter does not spill all over. And I'll just show you. Because glitter costs a lot. Like these tubes are $2.97 or $3.97 at Walmart. And when you have to use more than one, these start adding up. And you want to try to save all your glitter that you possibly can. So I just store it all in a Ziploc bag. And then, so this is what I do with all my glitter. Store it in one of these Dollar Tree bags I was telling y'all about. And it holds all of my different glitters that I use. Oops, that one needs to go in the bag. See how that's spilling out right there? But it's protected. It's inside my bag. Oh, look at that one. I don't know why this one is like fully open. Oh no. But see how most of all my green had spilled out? Now imagine if that was not in the bag. That would have been a waste of glitter. So I'm gonna double bag that one. I have some projects coming up where I need the green glitter, and I am not trying to run out to buy any that I don't need. So here's my gold. Always keep a stack of my gold. Silver, what I just lined up in the bags. Green I just put in the bag. Double bag it because all of that's coming out. And these are my extra fine glitters, which I just found one that was empty. Throw that in there. And I'm going to Ziploc that up. And I just found a black, which I paid like almost $5 for this black at Michael's. So I am not trying to lose that, because that extra fine black is very hard to find down here where I live at. So you have to make sure all your stuff, and then I just keep it in a bigger bag, because I do not have my craft room anymore. Until I get one, this is how I store my stuff for my arts and crafts, because I have a lot of arts and crafts. So, oh, and then I got another B12 because, you know, I'm about to start work and I need this to get me through. So with that being said, I'd like to thank y'all all for stopping over. If you haven't caught my last Dollar Tree Tuesday, go check it out. So again, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Y'all stay blessed until the next video.